Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see the solution for the third subdivision in question 6 from exercise 5.2. Find dy by dx when xy is equal to e power x minus y. So let's take a logarithm in this on both sides. So taking log, this will become log of xy is equal to x minus y into log e. So now we know that log e to the base e is 1. So in the next step, I'm breaking this as log x plus log y is equal to x minus y. Now that we have taken the log, let's differentiate it with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, you will get 1 by x plus 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 1 minus dy by dx. In the next step, we are going to collect all the dy by dx to the left side. So it is 1 by y dy by dx plus dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. I'm taking the dy by dx outside. So dy by dx into 1 by y plus 1 is equal to, I'm taking LCM here, so it is x minus 1 by x. Now in this case also I'm doing the LCM. So dy by dx is into 1 plus y by y is equal to x minus 1 by x. So last step, dy by dx, I'm taking this whole expression the other side. So it is x minus 1 into y, the whole thing divided by x into 1 plus y. So this is the final answer. So y into x minus 1 divided by x into 1 plus y. In the next video, we will see the solution for the 7th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.